everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel.
Okay,
Today there's water leaking.
No, don't put that on a video.
Anything could...
Van, no, you're not recording. Van.
So that's not abnormal. এখানে দাও হ্যাঁ না না ওইসব কি শোনো শোনো মেজে আমাকে তুমি ইয়ে দাও পুরো পানি ভরে দিতে ও গাছ এখানে কিছু নেই কাকি আর বাকি তুই কাপড় নিয়ে আসো
I just left it like normal. It wasn't.
No, what happened was the water didn't stop.
Hi, Dina.
The water stopped. So it's,
Dina, how did the water leak from the roof?
Normally the toilet stops. You didn't do anything wrong. I think the thing was giving some trouble.
Anna isn't here because she's at Starbucks with her dad.
Just turn it off.
Guys, this is a real problem. That was not.
Hey, that's toilet water, guys. Okay, don't touch that.
Toilet is funny now.
Soaking with
It is what?
water.
It's not. The toilet is not leaking. The container, come on.
Soaking
So this is
with
normal.
Wondering which bucket to. I cannot use those buckets anymore. Or bowl, but if you clean one, I will use that. Since you came last time.
The other one get clean.
That other one we said that. Uh-oh.
And now the ceiling ripped off.
Yes, I don't want something to use it because that water comes better. And when you don't want to
The house is collapsing.
Sometimes but we never been to your bathroom. It's only time when you came last time. So it's been there for.
Oh, you don't know the problems until it's.
Yeah, we didn't know. Yeah, until you use. And upstairs, like a lot of times they complain a little bit, we never use it. But once we started using it, I saw that faucet was not good. But let's use it. I don't know. Somebody comes.
Dina, how about we go
coming for there
upstairs
too.
and see it
So
do
fix
it?
those faucets this time. Found a plumber.
Okay, I'm going upstairs
But
to
that
see it.
shower is, I don't know if that,
Go
but I never used it. But shower is good. I mean, force, much more than that.
I didn't see it happen. I don't know which bathroom.
It's very good. Thank God we didn't have party.
Here.
Oh, no, we didn't.
Right now I'm in my grandparents' house, and today is the day after Christmas.
Invite anybody.
Today is the day after
And I want
Christmas.
them to just relax and play with them.
And today we're having Dina's birthday party. And today is Dina's birthday party. These are the same pajamas we wore yesterday on Christmas night when we opened our presents.
You know what? One day that never happened once. Happened once. Sunflowers just for dinner. A few months ago in summertime, I think. What? Upstairs, see, we don't use it. Most of it we don't go. So we turned that on. Started water leaking from there. The middle of the living room.
No.
And the table on top of the center, so you had to put bucket and everything. And it was coming like not that much.
Okay.
There's no faucet air conditioner. Abu thought that since it's made a little hole.
And where were you? We were gone for a
It
long
was not that
time.
much water, it just, but still like it bucket, right? Then I put a bowl.
Dina, where were you? We were gone for
It's
a long
collected a little bit
time.
of water, like cup of
Oh, the
water,
ceiling
like
is
a cup
wet
of
because of the water that
But
was
was
dripping
kind
on
of strange. There's
it.
no bathroom there. And never,
So you still don't know.
don't know where it's coming from.
Like rain, it wasn't.
Yes,
raining?
we called asked the plumber. I think there's somebody came and said, if it is from back.
Video. Hope you liked this video. Subscribe so never miss latest updates. Bye.